Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm Chingitan, and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
If you were sitting in front of me right now, I would like to ask you one question. Tell me, what's the one thing you keep saying na hindi pa ngayon? Pag-isipan ko muna. Hindi pa panahon. I hope it's not your dreams, it's not your goals, it's something real and something really practical. So ano itong pag-uusapan natin? Pag-usapan natin ng reality. Let's say it's a job move, okay? You keep telling yourself, mag-a-apply na lang ako pagka ready na ako, mag-a-apply na lang ako pag handa na ako, mag-a-apply na lang ako pag qualified na ako. So when you update your resume again, tapos nang nangyayari niyan, nagpapa-interview ka again, tapos sinasabi mo ay nagpe-prepare naman ako again, pero ano nangyari? Lumipas na ang buwan, same job, same stress, same paycheck. Here's the truth. It's not about patience eh. Alam mo kung bakit na hanggang ngayon wala kang ginagawa? Because you are avoiding rejection. Masakit man aminin, pero ito yung katotohanan. Or maybe, probably sabihin mo, hindi, kakausapin ko muna yung mentor ko, kakausapin ko muna yung boss ko, kakausapin ko muna yung pamilya ko. Alam mo, parating mo sinasabi, yun yung parating excuse mo next time na lang. Oo, pag mas ready na ako. So, what happens? You stay quiet, you stay polite, you stay uncomfortable. Alam mo, honestly, you're not patient. You're just avoiding conflict. And every day, as long as you delay, alam mo yung nangyayari, mas lalo kang nai-stress. Or maybe sinasabi mo, ito lang, when it comes to dinedelay mo rin, like pag-iipon. Nako, tsaka na lang ako mag-iipon pag lumaki ng kita ko. Diba? Tsaka na lang ako mag-start ng business pag lumaki ng income ko. Pero alam mo kung makikita mo talaga, again, it's not being patient. It's all about avoidance. So para maintindihan nyo, gawa tayo ng tinatawag na testing. Yung body testing na ito. So, when you say body testing, di ba, yung parang minsan pwede mo sabihin pero iba yung pakiramdam mo di ba? Tanungin kita, bilang pagkatao mo, you as a person, ikaw ba isang tao talagang matiisin and you're willing to be patient? Do you feel calm if the things that you're expecting, it's not happening? Or medyo naiinis ka na, naiinip ka na, sinasabi mo, ang tagal-tagal naman ito. Alam mo, kung tatanungin mo ako, I'm the second type of a person. I'm a person na talagang medyo nahihirapan talaga ako maghintay. Lalo na, nahihirapan ako maghintay sa long lines. Ba't yung pinapahaba ang linya? Baka pwede niyong bilisan ang inyong work, di ba? Lalo sa fast food ka. Kaya nga, kung talagang patient kang tao, you will not be bothered. Pero kung impatient kang tao, stress ka na. That's the feeling that probably you are already experiencing with your finance, with your work, with your job, but you are not acknowledging. And let me be straight with you, okay? If you knew na hindi ka magfe-fail, if you knew na matatanggap ka sa ibang trabaho, if you knew magkakaroon ka ng better opportunity, my question is this, will you still delay? If your answer is as good as mine, sabi mo, hindi, matagal na dapat akong nag-umpisa ng work. Matagal na talaga ako dapat nag-negosyo on my own. Nako, so in other words, what are you doing? Bakit hindi mo pa ginagawa ngayon? So, I want to challenge you this week, okay? Name one thing na matagal mo na gustong itong gawin, pero hanggang ngayon dinedelay mo pa. And why I want you to answer this honestly, okay? Probably, it's the fear. It's the fear of the unknown. It's the fear of the future. Fear that baka mag-fail ka. Fear that it might not work. Now, the next question that I would like to ask you is this. What if God can guarantee you, if you move out of faith right now and then do it, di ba? And He will guarantee you that you will become successful, will you do it? 90% of you will say, yes, definitely you will do it. Kasi alam mo, pwede kang maging successful. So kung makikita mo, anong pumipigil sa'yo? It's not about being patient. It's not waiting for the right timing. It's all about avoiding failure and rejection. So the question that I would like you to answer tonight is this, or this session is this. Where am I calling, or where am I leaning on? Is it on fear? Or is it being patient? Okay? Saan ka papunta? Saan ka bang mas ika nga leaning right now? So I hope the one that's really delaying you really to take action should not be fear. It's because that you want to be patient. And if you are patient long enough to wait, it's time for you to remove your fear so that you can take action. I hope that you are enlightened in this session. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong session na ito, don't forget to follow and subscribe. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.